Hi guys, this is Miss Moline here, and I wanted to go through with you really quick on just a review on subtraction with regrouping, but specifically I wanted to go over what happens when you find a 0 in your top number and what you need to do. Now, I had a friend of mine actually teach me this really cool trick. It's another way of looking at it. So let's start here. So my first problem that I have for you is 908 minus 469. So if we look at it, we already know automatically right here, we start in our ones always, right? 8 minus 9, we can't do because 9, our bottom number, is bigger than our top number. So here's what we're going to do. We're actually going to look at this number right here, this part of our number. I'm going to go ahead and box it. You can circle it or box it, whatever you want to do. And you notice that you actually, yes, there's a 0 right here, but you have 90 tens. So what you're going to do, 8 minus 9, we can't do. So we're going to go ahead and make this, we're going to steal 1 10 away from 90. Okay, so that's going to actually become 89. And this right here, we're going to power it up to an 18. Okay, so now it's much easier to do. We can do this. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now let's try it again. Okay, so let's look at our next problem. We have 407 minus 239. Okay, we're going to try the same thing. We notice 7 minus 9. We can't do that either. Let's go ahead. I'm going to box this guy up right here because I notice that I have 40 tens. So I'm going to go ahead, if I'm stealing 1 away from that, this becomes my 40, becomes a 39. Right here, my 7 powers up to 17. So now I can absolutely do this math. 17 minus 9 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. All right, one more, guys, and then we're going to look at a different thing. Okay, so we have 203 minus 76. Okay, so we notice 3 minus 6 we can't do. 6 is much bigger than 3. So I'm going to box this together right here, and notice right here, yes, I have a 0 here, but I have 20 tens in my 203. So this becomes 20 tens. I'm going to take one of those tens away. So this right here, instead of 20, when I minus 1 from it, it becomes 19. And right here, I'm going to power up that 3. That 3 gets a whole 10 because I took 10 from here, and it becomes a 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2, and there's nothing there, so we're just going to bring down that 1. Okay, so that's what we do when we have it in the middle of the number. All right, guys, so I changed my board around a little bit, and you'll notice now on the top, I have 2 zeros. So what do I do when I have 2 zeros on the top when I am subtracting and I have to regroup with zeros? Same thing, you guys. You get to do the same exact thing. 400, I can look at that as 40 tens. So I'm going to go ahead, 400 minus 263. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to box this right here. And I'm just going to steal 1 away from it again. So 40 minus 1 is 39. And then this right here powers up to a 10. Okay, so now I can do my math very, very easily. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Ooh, I love this strategy. I'm going to do it again. Okay, 500 minus 124. Obviously, I can't do 0 minus 4. So here we go again. Stealing using these tens. 50 tens. Okay, 500 is 50 tens. So right here, I'm going to take one of these tens away. 50 minus 1 is 49. Power up this guy over here in the 1 spot to a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 376. All right. One more time to practice, guys. Okay, so we have 600 minus 437. So I'm going to do the exact same thing again. Super easy. Just box up my hundreds place and my tens place because I notice I have 60 tens there. So 60 minus 1, since I need to give one over here, is going to be 59. This powers up to a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So, super easy way to think of it. Mind blown, guys. All right, go ahead and get your worksheet done, and happy counting.